Hello, everyone.
And today, we'll talk about something super important, food waste. Food waste is a really big problem in the world.
Yes, yeah. It means we throw away food that we can still eat, even if it's just a little bit old.
This is bad because so many people don't have enough food to eat.
And it's also really bad for our Earth, impacting our environment.
But don't worry, at our homes, we always try not to waste food.
We always cook or prepare just enough for our family meals.
And if there's some delicious food left, we definitely eat it for the next meal.
We also try to compost food scraps.
It's like giving our garden a special treat.
I think we all need to be responsible and save food.
Finishing our meals is a super simple way to help.
And saving leftovers means delicious food for later.
Our compost helps these plants grow so strong.
These small steps make a big difference for our Earth.
So, let's all be food heroes.
Yeah, food heroes.
Hello. I think food waste is a big problem at school. Sometimes students don't finish their lunch, and they throw away a lot of good food.
This is bad because many children around the world are hungry.
So at school, I always try to eat all my food. If I cannot finish it, I ask my teacher if I can save it for later. Or I give it to a friend. I think it's important to save food because it helps reduce waste. We should all be smart eaters. Look at all this food. It's such a big problem at school, isn't it?
Yeah, so many students just don't finish their lunch.
And it's really bad when you think about all the kids around the world who are hungry.
Exactly, that's why we have to do something.
So if I can't finish everything, I always try to save it for later.
It's so important because it really helps reduce waste.
Or you can share it with a friend.
Totally. It also helps people who might be hungry. We should all be smart eaters and not waste any food.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Food waste is a serious problem for our Earth. When we throw away food, it doesn't just disappear. It goes to landfills.
And creates bad gas, which is bad for the environment.
This is also a waste of water that was used to grow the food.
And energy that was used to transport it.
I think it's very important to reduce food waste.
We should try to buy only what we need.
And eat all our food.
If there are leftovers, we can eat them for another meal.
So,
Reducing food waste helps our planet stay healthy and green.
This garden shows how amazing nature is. But imagine all the water and energy that goes into growing food just for it to be thrown away.
When we waste food, it's not just the food itself. It's also a waste of the water and energy used to grow and transport it.
So what can we do? It's simple. Buy only what we need and eat all our food.
And if there are leftovers, turn them into another delicious meal.
Reducing food waste really helps our planet. It helps keep it healthy and green for everyone.
It's our responsibility to take care of our Earth and its resources.
Let's all make a difference, one meal at a time.